Very good morning, students. On last turn of your online English class, I explained one of the paragraphs of the story Should Wizard Eat Mommy? Okay, by John Updike. Today we'll take another paragraph of the same story. So we start reading from here, Jack. Okay. So Jack described their supper. Supper means the last meal of the day, dinner that means. And the story was over working his way through. This scheme was especially fatiguing on Saturday because Joe never fell asleep in naps anymore. So that was another problem for his father on Saturday because Joe never fell asleep in his naps more anymore, and knowing this made the ride seem futile. The little girl, not so little anymore. Okay, this I'll explain you. I'm just reading this paragraph for you. The bumps her feet The bumps her feet made under the covers were halfway down the bed, their big double bed that they let her be in for naps and when she was sick, had at last arranged herself. And from the way her fat face deep in the pillow shone is past participle of the verb shine in the sunlight shifting through the drawn shades. It did not seem fantastic that some magic would occur and she would take her nap like an infant of two. Infant means this is the beginning, the means that state or stage of a child when it cannot even by itself change its side. Okay, so that is infant, completely depend on mother. Her brother Bobby was two, so brother was of 2 years and already asleep with his bottle. Bottle was maybe in the mouth. Jack asks, "Who shall the story be about today?" Roger. So excused, her eyes shut and smiled to be thinking she was thinking. Her eyes opened. Her mother's blue skunk, she said firmly. A new animal they must talk about skunks at nursery school, having a fresh hero. Momentarily stirred Jack to creative enthusiasm. All right, he said. Once upon a time, in the deep dark woods, woods means jungle, forest, there was a tiny little creature by the name of Roger Skunk. This time he added one name, but Roger will remain same, and he smelled very bad. Okay, so we'll take here till here, and now I just give you the idea that there are few words meaning also that those words meaning also I'll be discussing. So Jack described there. So Jack had now started getting tired of this daily routine because it was not working. He had run out of the ideas for the stories also. So Joe didn't, and Joe also, she was not sleeping. Joe didn't sleep listening to the story anymore. He had started feeling that the practice was just a waste of time, and there was no point doing it. He also noticed that he had started growing big and started her legs now stretched halfway down the bed, and when she struggle, or when she is taking interest in the stories, she was not very much confirmed that what will be the next one. With all the night coming in from the window over her face that was deep in the pillow, Jack knew that she won't be sleeping soon. He knew it, that she is not sleeping. Okay, because these stories, she was very much habitual of listening stories, and now she was enjoying them. She was not sleeping listening those stories. So Bobby, her baby brother, here we have discussed her brother Bobby. So his brother already he was sleeping, a bottle in his mouth, when Jack asked Joe that who should the story be about that day. She thought for a while and replied that she wanted it to be of a skunk. Skunk. Jack then thought that she must have heard about this animal in nursery school and also get enthusiastic as he had a new hero for his story. So here this girl, now she is growing up, and as you will be having idea that now this girl, she herself is giving ideas to her father that which next character can be taken in the story. So this time, as Joe, she suggested Jack, her father, that we can start with a new animal, that is skunk. And father was also not very much surprised, because she was no more a small girl now. She had grown up, and she must have heard about this animal in her school. Okay, so afterward he says, okay, all right. He said, once upon there was a animal, once upon a time, in the deep dark wood. Deep dark woods means there was a very dense forest. There was a tiny little creature by the name of Roger Skunk. There, here also he added this name Roger, and he smelled very bad, means it used to smell very bad. So this was the explanation of this next paragraph, my dear children. I want you again to form question out of this paragraph. At least 10 to 12 questions can be formed, okay, easily, very easily. And all the questions you should write in your notebook. So as I have been telling you time to time, even almost in each class, on each online turn, I tell you that all this work, whatever teachers are giving you, will be checked when we start regular classes. Okay, so write down them, write down the questions, and you may write a little bit of idea in the form of summary also. Okay, on next turn we will start from, yes, Joe said he smelled so bad. Okay, from this paragraph we will continue on next week. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day.